Hey, this is the tribute to Bobby. It was one of his last requests to me, was to do a fireworks display for him. It was really wanted for the 4th of July, but he didn't make it that far, so we're doing tonight. He had a band called the Half Tracks. So he was a keyboardist, so we're gonna start the show with the keyboard. And I've made a special tune on here, and then it's gonna go to the guitar, light it on fire, then we got the drum. And then the bass drum with Black Magic in it. And then we have Saturn missiles below the crash cymbal. Hopefully that'll make some good noise. And then the bass guitar for the grand finale, some Black Cat Mambas, or I don't know what they are actually. This to you, Bobby. All right.
We're almost ready.
You guys are worried. Okay, here goes. That was a really fast fuse. Uh-oh, is it going?
Just stick your head in there and see if it's working.
Oh no, Terry! Back up, Terry!
Oh wow, these did not light.
Terry!
Next try, run this way. We'll spray you. Slow down. It's a Lake of the Forest fireworks show. We get half now and half later. Yeah. Tracks! Maybe. There's probably a little more.
Oh, take a picture of the half track.
I got it. Forget gun control.
Ho! And the music notes are on fire.
Yeah.
Did you take a picture?